Hello, welcome back to PingSunday. Today let's watch the training of Fang Bo and learn his backhand skills. Fang Bo has a very powerful forehand topspin attack. Fang Bo's backhand is very stable. He is using the backhand as a transition to the forehand. Unlike Fang Zhendong's backhand, which is more powerful, Fang Bo has a very stable backhand. Fang Bo has a very compact gesture. Because he doesn't want to use the backhand topspin to finish the point, he wants to have the stable and quick backhand attack. Ma Long has a very good defensive backhand. The placement of Ma Long's backhand is very uncomfortable for the opponent because Ma Long has a lot of variation in his backhand. He can also use some backhand chop block or backhand flick in the backhand position. So if you have a strong forehand attack, then you can learn a compact backhand topspin near the table. This type of technique will help you focus more on your forehand side.
你还有一个机会。那个教练啊，或者谁啊，吴指导不知道去没去，往那儿坐着。这个球是下去。
刚才那个山西健友俱乐部的这个乒乓球的朋友们都在。
好，高抛的短球。
哇，用这种侧击的方式去改变球的旋转啊！这边呢，马龙最后也找到了强攻的机会。